Hello guys, my name is 100 Point Gaming. Oh, guys, I'm back. Basically, you know why? Why did Janice just throw that? You missed me already. Okay, so this is for Melody Unicorn. Anyways, I'm turned back to normal. The evilness was a lie. Basically, so first, you go to Roblox. We know that. And then, okay, you go to settings. You see the settings. Basically, this is the count. So, Melody underscore unicorn. Basically, you see this, click on it. You have to verify your email first, and then you can do it. It costs 100 Robux. 1,000 Robux to change your username, your Roblox username. So, easy step. Easy as pie. Melody. Okay, first you go to Roblox, go to settings, and then if you see to verify your account, you have to go to verify your account. You have to type your email and then your password, and then this shows up. It costs 1,000 Robux. 1,000 Robux to change your username. Okay? Easy as pie. Melody. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching how to change your username. Easy as pie, guys. Go to Roblox. Go to settings. Click on this. If it says verify your email, put your email down, put your password down, boom, disappears, and it will say it costs 1,000. It says you need whatever Robux you have, more to change your username. Would you like buy more Robux? I'm not buying lots of Robux now. I don't want to waste much money. So, bye guys. Enjoy your username, your brand new username. Bye!